के सामान ही सामान है. So we should know how to sort the things. हम किसी भी घर में भी जाएंगे तो we may see that in balconies lot of things are kept. हमारे पास में जो हम कंटेनर्स भी जो आते हैं हमारे, हम कोई चीज़ बाहर जोमेटो से मंगाते हैं तो हम कंटेनर स्टोर करके रखते हैं कि कभी ना कभी काम आएगा, बट इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. सो इट इज बेटर दैट वी शुड एलिमिनेट द थिंग्स विच इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ ऑल्सो एंड इन द वर्क प्लेस ऑल्सो. सो कीप ओनली एसेंशियल आइटम्स एंड एलिमिनेट व्हाट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, prioritizing things per requirements and keeping them in easily accessible places. See, for example, when we have to do any documentation work is to be done. जो हम बोलते हैं कि 10th की मार्कशीट चाहिए, 12th की मार्कशीट चाहिए, तो हम ढूंढते रह जाते हैं घर में हमने कहाँ रखी है. फिर मम्मी के घर में पूछेंगे या पापा के घर में पूछेंगे किसके घर में रखी है. Last year's newspaper till today, it is discarded. So same thing is that is nothing but your first S of the 5S, that is sorting. I would just like to repeat. Good afternoon, those who have joined late. We are talking on 5S, which is related to workplace, and you can use it in your everyday routine also. So first one is sorting. We have done. This is the second S of 5S. There should be a place for everything, and everything should be in its place. अगर आपको बोला गया है कि यहाँ रखना है तो वो वही रहना चाहिए. Like we have discussed about tea coffee or demarketed. You should know what it is. Even when we are keeping the spices or when we are keeping the pulses or dal at home, तो हम उसको पहले लेबलिंग कर देते ताकि इजीली पता चल जाए कि भी कौन सी दाल हम निकाल रहे हैं. तो same thing you can apply in your workplace also. The place for each item should be clearly labeled or demarketed. Best example we can take of this is जहाँ पे सेटिंग इन ऑर्डर में तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस. हमको जब हमको कोई चीज़ निकालनी रहती है, हमको कुछ अपना डॉक्यूमेंट निकालना है गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस से, वो क्या बोलते हैं 2 दिन के बाद आइए, 4 दिन के बाद आइए, 6 दिन के बाद आइए, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट केप्ट इन ऑर्डर. अगर उनके पास ऑर्डर में चीज़ें रहेगी तो यू विल गेट द सर्टिफिकेट्स इमीडिएटली और द वर्क कैन बी डन वेरी इजीली एंड स्मूथली. ना जो आ रहा है उनको परेशानी है, जो काम कर रहा है उनको परेशानी है. So we should follow this system, straightening or setting in order. Third point is items should be arranged in a manner that promotes efficient workflow with equipment used most often being the most easily accessible. For this I can give you the example is garage. Mostly nowadays they are all mechanized, so they have all the things in proper way, proper manner में रखते हैं and they keep the things. जाते हैं immediately when we know अगर उनको बोला कि हमारे गाड़ी को ये प्रॉब्लम है, so they get the things immediately and repair it. So that is the good example of setting in order. So this is the sit-on, second S of 5S. I hope you understood like how you have to do the straightening in or setting in order. Third point is, so you can see the difference. This is the example of setting in order. Third, next please. Third one is shining or systematic cleaning, that is CISO. Nowadays you can see the railway stations are also neat and clean. The Jaipur station railway station has been given the award for this neat and clean railway station. So every time you have to, when not only that sorting and setting is considered, you also have to take care about the systematic cleaning, that is CISO. Clean the workspace and all equipment and keep it clean, tidy and organized. Mostly in the hotels, what we say is mostly in hotels the concept now is that before you leave your workplace, you have to clean it and then only you can move out. So that next day when you are coming inside the hotel, there is no one to clean for you. You have to clean your workplace and then you can leave. So that is the thing you have to follow. Clean the workspace and all equipment and keep it clean, tidy and organized. If you need a pen, you should know where the pen is kept. If you want stapler pen is not there in the stapler, where it is kept. So you should be able to find it immediately. So for that, your workspace should be clean. At the end of each shift, clean the work area and be very sure everything is restored to its place. Restored here means if it is not there, if it is finished, it should be restored again. We can take example of वो शक्कर खत्म हो जाती है तो हम पहले ही ला के रख देते, मालूम पड़ जाता है कि शक्कर 2 दिन में खत्म होने वाली है. तो what we do is we already keep it in store so that we can replenish it. Maintaining cleanliness should be part of the daily work, not an occasional activity initiated when things get too messy. Mostly we do follow the cleanliness program every day in our home, at workplace also. पर जब कभी कोई मिनिस्टर आने वाला होता है, या भी जैसे भी हमारे यहाँ पे भी नागपुर में देखेंगे अभी 16 तारीख से सेशन शुरू हो जाएगा, तो ऑल द रोड्स आर मेड नाउ. फिर से उनकी पूरी लिपा पोती शुरू होगी तो पता चल जाता है कि यहाँ पे सेशन अब शुरू होने वाला है. So that should not happen. It should be done on regular basis. Cleanliness should not be a routine. It should not be a one-day work. It is a everyday work and it should be maintained properly. Next, please. Yes, this is the cleaning work going on. Next. Fourth F of 5S is standardizing. Whatever cleaning has been done, shining has been done, you have to maintain it, you have to standardize it. All workstations for a particular job should be identical. It should not be that one place you are having everything and on second place you don't have most of the things in that particular area. So every workstation should be properly maintained. All employees doing the same job should be able to work in any station with the same tools that are in the same location in every station. If an employee is working at one particular station and if it is shifted to some other place, what happens? नहीं सर, नहीं मैडम, हम उधर काम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो सब चीजें है ही नहीं हमारे पास. So I will not be able to work. If you are going to give me, then only I am going to work properly or efficiently. So every workstation of any employee should have identical things. But it also depends upon what type of work we are doing. अगर suppose if we are taking about example of garage, तो हर वर्कस्टेशन का अलग अलग होगा, हर एरिया का अलग अलग होगा. यहाँ पे क्लीनिंग हो रही है तो यहाँ पे क्लीनिंग होगा, वहाँ मेंटेनेंस का काम हो रहा है तो मेंटेनेंस का टूल होगा. But if in maintenance we have a workstations, 2-3 workstations, they all workstations should have identical tools and equipments. Everyone should know what exactly his or his responsibilities are for adhering to the first 3S. Today we don't have accountability. Mostly Indians, what we do, I am not blaming Indians, I will also blame myself also for that. कि भाई हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम किसी और को डाल देते हैं, ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ये मेरा काम नहीं है. कोई बाबू के पास जाएंगे तो बोलते हैं ये हमारा काम है, ये मेरा काम नहीं, अब दूसरे टेबल पे चली जाएंगे. तो अगर हमको 3S पूरे मेंटेन करना है तो हमको पहले के 2 भी S मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. 3 S मेंटेन करेंगे तभी हम स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन ला सकते हैं, नहीं तो हम स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन नहीं ला सकते. Today if one person is saying no, we will do all these things, like today Modi is saying that we should go for clean India. How many of us are really working for clean India? हमको अगर अपना टेबल भी साफ करना रहता तो हम बोलते हैं हमारा जो क्यूट रहेगा या अटेंडेंट रहेगा उसको बोलते हैं कि आप आके पहले सफाई करो फिर ही हम अंदर आएंगे. जबकि whether it is said that every day, I think every day or at least in a month you have to work out 2-3 hours you have to give for cleanliness. But exactly how many of us are doing that? अगर हम हर कोई करेंगे तो हम अपने को हमको किसी की और की जरूरत of Shinsuke, sustaining, that is, this is the last 5S. Maintain and review standards. Maintain focus on this way and do not allow a gradual decline back to the old ways. हम तो हमारे ज़माने में ऐसे ही करते थे इसलिए हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे. Like nowadays we are all techno savvy. But when it comes to government people or any other people, I'm not going to blame only government. हमको कंप्यूटर ऑपरेट करने के लिए बोलेंगे तो हम बोलते हैं हमको कंप्यूटर आता नहीं, जबकि वही फ़ोन वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं. एवरीथिंग दे कैन हैंडल. व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक भी, सब सोशल मीडिया पे रहते हैं, पर जब काम करने की बात आती है तो बोलते हैं नहीं हमको टाइपिंग नहीं आता है. दैट हैपेंस. सो we should not only focus on the new way and do not allow a gradual decline back to the old ways. पुराने जमाने का ही सब अच्छा था, वैसे जरूरी नहीं है. whatever the new trends are, we have to follow and sustain it, maintain it. While thinking about the new way, also be thinking about yet better ways. जो आज है उससे हमको और अच्छा नया टेक्निक यूज करना है ताकि हम और अच्छे से एफिशिएंटली काम कर सकें। ना ही हमारे घर में जो भी हमारा एरिया, जैसे अभी स्टूडेंट्स कुछ है तो कौन से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एज ए स्टूडेंट हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारी डेली रूटीन में हमने पढ़ाई कैसे करनी है, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू हैव टू मेंटेन, व्हाट आर द न्यू फीचर्स यू कैन ऐड टू योर स्टडीज, सेम वे एट द वर्क प्लेस। यस yes. So what are the benefits of 5S? We have seen 5S. First one was sorting, second one was yes, setting in order, third one was standardization, shining, third was shining, fourth one was standardizing, and fifth one was sustaining it. How to sustain? That means if you have discipline, you can sustain it. So what are the benefits of 5S? Improves organizational efficiency. Everyone is on the toe. Everyone knows what is 5S. So they cannot say कि नहीं हमको पता नहीं है. We get each and everything on time. Again, I will, because students are there, so they can take example when they go to the library. लाइब्रेरी में बोला जाता है कि आज नहीं आना, आपको कल आना है, किताब आपको कल मिलने वाली है। आप आज बता के जाएंगे कि टुडे आई नीड दिस बुक, बट librarian may be knowing it, but because they don't want to take the responsibility, they shrug the responsibility, तो स्टूडेंट को कल दोबारा आना पड़ता है। केस स्टडी आज करनी है पर उनको कल आके सब केस लेना पड़ेगा बुक और फिर केस स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी, and then they are going to submit the assignments. So that should not happen. So if we have this technique of 5S, so efficiency will increase, students will be benefited. I am giving the example of university here. Reduce waste in all forms. Whatever reduce is there, whatever things you don't need in your daily life, it will be reduced. Cut down employee frustration when the system does not work. If the system is not working, कोई for example आप कोई किसी मिनिस्टर का हो या कोई सेलिब्रिटी जब कोई स्पीच दे रहा है and something goes wrong in between, so that is the 5S. 5S में अगर रहेगा तो everything we have to check, we have to keep a check, and then only we can say yes, we are ready. If it is not done, then team will get frustrated. Improve speed and quality of work performance. If you maintain this 5S, it will improve your speed, it will improve your quality of work performance. If you are saying today I am going to give it, you will keep the things ready before the other person is going to reach. नहीं तो उनके सामने हम बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, it doesn't look good. So if you follow this 5S system, it will improve your quality of work performance. It improves safety. Creates a visually attractive environment. So these are the few benefits of 5S. This is related not only for the working area. I will just give you one example which happened with me today itself in the morning. When I was just going with this PPT, I received a letter. तो मैंने जो लेटर देखा पढ़ा, पर मैंने ये नहीं देखा कि मैं लेटर मुझे कहाँ से आया था, लेटर हेड नहीं देखा कि ये लेटर मुझे आया कहाँ से। बस मैंने ये देखा कि ये किसको लिखा गया था, न साइन देखा किसने साइन किया हुआ है, एंड देन आई वेंट बैक टू माय ऑफिस एंड सेड कि भाई ये क्या लिख के दिया है। So again that time it came to mind, if I would have followed 5S, 5S means here skimming of the letter, right from the letterhead till the end, that is the signature. हम सिर्फ बताते हैं कि लिखना इस तरह, writing the letter parts में इस तरीके से लिखो, reading of letter is also essential. If I would have followed this 5S, this would not have happened, and there would not have been any chaos in my workplace. क्योंकि मैंने जाके जब मेरे रजिस्ट्रार को बोला कि ऐसे वो सर ये आपने ऐसे कैसे लिख के दिया, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि मैडम देखो ये लेटर आया कहाँ से, आप पहले वो तो पढ़ लीजिए, हमने नहीं लिखा है ये लेटर, इस तरीके से हमने नहीं लिखा है। तो whatever the situation was, so that time I thought अरे ये मैंने गलती कर दी. So this was a very good example for me today कि भाई मैं 5S का डिलीवरी करने जा रही हूँ और मैंने खुद ही 5S फॉलो नहीं किया है. So it is not only at the workplace, you can say every place it has to be applied. When you are purchasing the tickets also, maybe it is your movie ticket or your railway ticket, ये गलतियाँ हम करते हैं, फटाफट हम करने की आदत करते हैं, पर हम 5S को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, या वो हम उतनी आई फॉर डिटेलिंग नहीं रखते, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आई फॉर डिटेलिंग। अगर ये सब रहे तो हमारे सब सिस्टम्स एकदम ठीक से काम करेंगे। And it always creates a visually attractive environment. When we go to any of the offices, private office में जो भी आजकल आ गया है कि they have their own contractors. If you visit any government offices, again what we see is जहाँ बॉस का एरिया रहेगा वहाँ पे नीट एंड क्लीन है, otherwise everywhere spitting is done. So if 5S is maintained, yes. If 5S is maintained, your environment will be also. हमको रास्ते में जब हम कोई चीज खा रहे हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, जहाँ खाया वहीं फेंक दिया। डस्टबिन भी रखे रहेंगे तो हम इतना भी कोशिश नहीं करते हैं कि चलो हम डस्टबिन तक जाते हैं और वहां जाके हम कचरे को डालेंगे। सो इफ यू फॉलो ऑल दिस 5S टेक्निक्स इन योर डेली रूटीन, इट विल नॉट हेल्प यू टू बी ए गुड सिटीजन, ए गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग इन योर लाइफ, बट व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग और वेयरएवर यू आर वर्किंग इन द प्लेस, you will feel good over there and you will be able to work properly and efficiently. If we follow 5S, productivity will be increased. Productivity here means कि जो भी हम काम करते हैं उसकी क्षमता बढ़ जाती है। हमने कहा हम आलस नहीं करते, हम बाद में करेंगे। अभी सर जैसे बच्चे लोग बैठे हैं, तो जैसे इनकी मम्मी ने कभी बोला बेटा जाके चक्कर ले आओ, तो बोलते हैं हम कि नहीं मम्मी थोड़ा देर रुको, 15 मिनट रुको, 5 मिनट रुको, फिर हम जाएंगे। फिर जब एक और कॉल आता है कि भाई बेटा जाओ, तब हम सोचते हैं कि हम जाएंगे। अगर हम 5S को इमीडिएटली फॉलो करेंगे तो प्रोडक्टिविटी आपकी बढ़ जाएगी। हमको ये नहीं समझ में आता कि उस समय की इमरजेंसी क्या है। किसी को कोई चीज चाहिए, उसका मतलब किसी को इमरजेंसी है, इसलिए वो बोला गया है कि आपको ला दीजिए। सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव, प्रोडक्टिविटी। सेकेंड इज सेफ्टी। Safety when we are driving the vehicles, 2-wheeler हो या 4-wheeler हो. Nowadays we have got brake. Sorry, this what we call it? Seat belt. क्योंकि हम आज पहले के ज़माने में I should not say क्योंकि मैंने 5S अभी बोला है, तो अभी ऐसे न्यू रूल आया है because they know at the back of the mind that if we don't wear it, गलती से पकड़े गए तो हमको 1000 का फाइन लगेगा, isn't it? So we don't do that. Again, that is the safety part. जो भी हम काम करते हैं उसके पहले हमको देखना है कि हमारा जो इक्विपमेंट है या जो भी चीज को हम हैंडल करने वाले हैं उसको सेफ है या नहीं। सेफ्टी इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ 5S। देन रिड्यूस्ड वेस्ट। हमको कितनी चीज चाहिए है हम उतना ही उसको यूज करें, नहीं तो हम ज्यादा चीज ले लेते हैं एंड देन वी वेस्ट इट। अगेन रिड्यूस वेट का ऑब्जेक्टिव, वेरी गुड एग्जांपल व्हेन वी गो फॉर वेडिंग रिसेप्शंस, पार्टीज, प्लेट में हम पूरा पहले भर लेते हैं कि भाई नहीं हमको दोबारा आना नहीं पड़ेगा, देन वी वेस्ट इट। सो दैट शुड नॉट बी डन। वर्कर कमिटमेंट, इट इज नॉट वर्कर ओनली, इट कैन बी एनीवन। सो दैट इज द कमिटमेंट इज ये, नहीं मुझे करना है, नहीं करना है। इफ यू फॉलो 5S इन योर डेली रूटीन, you will be a committed person. You know that exams are going to approach after 15 days. You will start studying from today. If you know that after 15 days I have to go for why we are doing all these things when there is weddings only. लड़के की शादी होती है या लड़की की शादी होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, 15 दिन पहले, 1 महीना पहले से लड़की भी अपना ध्यान रखना शुरू कर देती है, लड़का भी रखना शुरू। तो that is a commitment. So why only that? Why not about our own self when we are working at workplace? We know that tomorrow I have to do this, I should do it in advance so that tomorrow the person will be happy. If you see a happy face of the other person, you will also feel happy, satisfied. So these are the 4 objectives of 5S: productivity, safety, reduced waste, and worker commitment. I think you are not able to. This is the flow chart. Sort, first step, sorting. Is it needed? Yes. Then straighten and shine, standardize and make visuals and sustain it. And if it is not, does the item have value? If it is no, then trash it, throw it. If it is yes, move to temporary storage. अच्छा कभी आगे जाके मुझे काम आ सकता है. Then you can place it in some temporary store. Use in number, locations or dispose within 2 weeks. अगर ज़्यादा नहीं आने वाला है काम तो dispose it off within 2 weeks. So this is the flow chart of the 5S, yes. So these are the few examples: sort, stabilize, shine, standardize and sustain. So this is the conclusion. The 5S practice is a well recognized methodology used by the Japanese for improving the work environment. Everywhere Japanese are given, you can say they are privileged for everything. They are using all these techniques. It was found to be key to quality and productivity. The 5S practice helps everyone in the organization to live a better life. So if you follow all these 5S practices in your daily routine, you will become a very good person and everyone will appreciate. अरे उसके पास जाते तो उसके पास पहली सब चीजें available रहती. So this is the conclusion of 5S practice. Thank you. Thank you. Any questions you want to ask, or should we go for some other topic related to hotel industry, or you want to know about the hotel management? Because I belong to hotel management.
So if you want to introduce this 5S concepts in a group of workers, what is the typical roadmap that you can suggest?
In the hotel management?
No. For 5S techniques.
5S techniques.
If you want to introduce it into a group of say 23 people.
Yes.
How would you go about it?
So first of all, we will call those people, those who are the employee of the staff who are working under you or with you, and we will introduce this topic to them, what is 5S and what is the utilization of this 5S and how it is going to help not only themselves but also organization and how they are going to lead it. So in that, whatever is given to 5S is given. Like for example, if you want to know for which particular area?
I am a doctor, I have a hospital to give consultancy and hands-holding so that it does not remain only theory.
Yeah.
It gets practically implemented and all the...
So you want to take care about the clinic part or your own whole organization? Organization.
Because even if cleaning is important,
yes,
but only 1 or 2 classes do not work.
Yes.
It requires sustained at least 6 months efforts
yes,
for them to undergo a cultural change. Because this is not in our culture.
Yes, this is not.
Our culture is just opposite.
Yes, our culture is totally opposite. If we tell them also that you have to do this work, they hesitate. They feel कि नहीं, उनको शर्म आती है कि भाई हम ये काम कैसे कर सकते हैं.
How do I use a duster?
Yes.
So would your organization and yourself?
Yes, we can do it. No problem. We will help you out. First of all, I have to understand your problem, what your problem is, and then we can. Hospital, they may have kept anything anywhere else. जिसका जो फाइल मांगा जाएगा वो they may be.
Things can always be improved.
Yes, improvement can be done.
There is no ceiling for improvement.
Yes, improvement can be done, definitely. And it has to be. It is not only for the one person. Everyone has to use this methodology. Yes. उसको दूर रखिए. इस तरीके से गोडाउन में भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं, पर इसमें सिर्फ गोडाउन में सिर्फ सामान रखने का नहीं, हर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन का भी उसमें इनिशिएटिव लेना है. नहीं तो हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी चीज लाते हैं कहीं भी रख देते हैं, स्टैंडर्डाइज नहीं करते वो चीज. You can do it in godown also. It is not a problem. 5S can be followed everywhere. In your day-to-day routine also we can follow. Any more questions, or should we stop now?
Do you have other than this in your content?
नहीं, like today I have done for 5S because I have told him. तो और कुछ हाउसकीपिंग से रिलेटेड या होटल से रिलेटेड किसी को कुछ.
So good hotels, 5-star hotels, they have excellent communication between. You speak about how do you make that cultural change, because the workforce comes from the same community, same colleges.
Yes.
How do they groom these people?
See, in the hotel management colleges, standards of the hotels and what are the grooming standards required by them and what they have to follow in daily routine when they are coming to the college also or institute. If they are not there, then either they may be punished or they may be asked where you go back and do that particular work and come back. But you have to be well groomed. Second part about the communication skill, by the time they enter into the hotels, they get a confidence when they are on the job, and they are doing the industrial training also in the second year or in final year, whatever it depends upon the 4-year or the 3-year program. So mostly in 3 years we send the students in second year. So when they are working with the hotels, they are doing the training, they interact with the other staff members of the employees of the hotel. So they know that without English or communication skills, they cannot survive. It is not only English, they should know how to coordinate, how to respond. So all these things are taught in the institute level. We have to take lot of pains for them, and then they go in the industry, and it takes time. It is not necessary that each and every student is well groomed or they can communicate. The culture is such that they have to do it, otherwise they will not be able to survive. If it is a 5-star or 4-star property, first of all they are going to take the students, those who have got fluent English, or they can communicate well, they understand the things well for the guest. Then only they are recruited, they are given employment. Otherwise, their students may not be given the chance also. And today's thing is that not only front office people, but also back of the area, that is kitchen people also have to interact with the guest, because today it is live cooking. Sometimes we go for live cooking, so they should be able to answer the questions or the query, whatever the guest is asking to them. So that is the reason. Like, I will not embarrass them. Like these two students you can see here, if they are students, I don't know they are students or not. If they are not well shaved, I will not allow in my college. I will ask them that you go and shave and then come. You should be well groomed. Like we say when we see defense people, when they are moving on the road also, we can make it out, okay, this person may be from defense background. Same way it is for the hotel industry also. We can make it out. If they are not well groomed, that means you don't have that passion to work in the hotel industry. That is it. Even the receptionists, those who are working in the doctors, hospitals and clinics also, they should be also well groomed for this. That they should also have a courtesy. They think that they are the boss of that particular place. तो उससे क्या होता है कभी-कभी जो डॉक्टर का जो he may be excellent doctor, he may be a very good physician, whatever may the case may be. But what happens, what I see in the hospitals or clinic is कि ये जो मतलब receptionist जो होती है, those who are working, they feel they are the boss. तो ये नहीं देखते कि पेशेंट है, their person is a patient. वो पहले एक किसी इसमें जा रहा है और उसके साथ में जो लोग भी आए हैं, they are also under this, they are also not well कि भाई मेरे इसको ऐसा हो गया है, और उनकी इस तरीके से रूडली बिहेव किया जाता है, जैसे मतलब हम तो कुछ नहीं है, बस वही है जो भी कुछ, पहले आपको यही करना है, फिर यही करना है. So there is some systematic systems are followed in this area also. That will benefit both to the hospital as well as to the patient. पेशेंट को बहुत बुरा लगता है कि जब वो उनको इस तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है कि आप उधर बैठो, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, बात ही नहीं की जाती है ढंग से. कहीं कहीं ठीक से होता है. So that is why mostly you can see these big hospitals, they are following all these systems. They are having a quality control, quality check on all these systems. So they are flourishing. Even malls. Then if we take about salons also, beauty parlors and all these places. Agar system, gyms, health club, these people they do the bossism over there, as if they are the boss. फिर उनको जाके बताना पड़ता है. I will give you one example of this Archie's है ना, अपना सदर में ही है. The lady who is sitting over there, cashier है या पता नहीं जो भी होगा, she misbehaved. So I called that owner immediately. Last year incident कि ये क्या तरीका है, हम यहाँ पे आपसे लेने आए हैं कोई चीज़ और आपके यहाँ का जो स्टाफ है इस तरीके से मिसबिहेव करके बात कर रहा है, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो अगर हम ये जनरली छोटी छोटी चीज़ें फॉलो करेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. इसीलिए तो मतलब हम जापानीज़ को जापान जाना है कोई तो उनको दे फील गुड. इंडिया में हमारी मेंटेलिटी थोड़ा हम ईगो लेके चलते हैं कि नहीं क्यों ऐसा हुआ. That is also one reason. Anything else? What we should do? Should we proceed or?
If you want to continue something or?
No, it depends upon the audience now. What I will say. Yes. In hotel management, not only hotel management, we call it as hospitality industry. Hospitality industry does not mean only hotel, it means tourism also. It means your hospitals, clubs, guest houses, railways, airlines, ships, cruise. These are the areas, caterings. These are the areas where the students can opt for the career. जब हम बेस लेवल एंट्री लेवल पे जाते हैं, it depends whether we are going for management training or as a on the job trainee or a regular employee. अभी कैसे आपको होटल मैनेजमेंट के बारे में कितना मालूम मुझे पता नहीं है.
When we talk of hygiene and cleaning,
Yes.
so you usually have a supervisor who then checks the laundry.
Yes.
But ratio of the time that the housekeeper actually spends 8 hours in their duty, housekeeping supervisor will spend about half an hour, 1 hour at most. So how can we make this process efficient?
Yes. See, when like in hotels, we have a prescribed time for cleaning and doing the work. Like they should make a bed in 3.5 minutes. Not if it is a single bed. If it is a double bed, it takes 5 minutes. If it is more than that, it is maximum 7 minutes. So same way in the cleaning or cleaning part also, we can standardize the things. कि भाई इसको करेंगे कि नहीं ये करना फिर करना नहीं पड़ेगा, फिर वो छोड़ के काम चले जाएंगे. And there is a particular way of doing the work. If you do mopping also, how to do the mopping, all these things. हमारा hygiene फिर उसमें clear हो ही जाता है. There is a set time.
Okay, so we set timings and then the outcome has to be measured.
Yes.
कि इतना floor mopping corners मुझे चाहिए.
Yes.
Then accordingly.
It depends upon the area,
Okay.
for what purpose we are using that area, and what type of equipment we are using.
Correct.
Equipment also plays a very important role in doing this cleaning part.
Because we have slightly different things like blood spill हो गया, तो we manage it differently. We don't just clean it. And
Yes.
So वो सब I think वही रहेगा ना कि if you follow the protocol.
We have to follow the protocol. Waste management भी किस तरीके से करना है, कौन से उनके already they have their baskets and all this. Coding भी किया जाता है, तो there is no problem. How to do waste management in hospitals. In hotels also we have certain things. कौन से color pens use करना है. So should we stop or?